The next topic is strategies used to establish coherence. Before we discuss these points, we need to understand what is coherence. Now, coherence is achieved when sentences and ideas are connected and flow smoothly. Coherence should be such that it should enable reader to move with ease while reading any text or article from one paragraph to another paragraph, from one sentence to another. So there is no ambiguity, and the ideas and paragraphs are represented in a sequence, in a logical sequence. One is logically leading to another. Now, the strategies that are used, the major ones are the given information strategy and new information strategy. In the given one, this strategy refers to information that an author or speaker assumes the reader or listener already knows. So, based on that assumption, they provide a certain kind of information. Now, new information is basically an information that the comprehender is assumed to not know about. In addition to given new strategy, we have the direct matching strategy and reinstating old information strategy. There are other strategies as well, and they include using of repetition to link ideas, sentences, and paragraph. That means repeating keywords or phrases that can help connect and focus ideas throughout your written text. Then you have transitional expressions to link ideas, sentences, and paragraphs. They are also known as transitional hooks. Transitional hooks. Now, they can be in the form of however, before, therefore, in addition. All these are the transitional expressions that link and facilitate readers' comprehension. Also, the use of pronoun to link sentences. For example, when you are reading a sentence, Mr. Thompson agreed to meet with members of the workers' union before he. So he is a pronoun of Mr. Thompson, and then after he signed the contract, full stop, the next sentence is he was interested in hearing their concerns. So here is again the pronoun of the workers, and he is a pronoun of Mr. Thompson. So pronouns are also used to link sentences. Then one can use synonyms to link ideas and create variety. Another form or another strategy can be that of parallel structures to link ideas, sentences, and paragraph. That means parallelism is the use of matching words, phrases, and clause or sentences which can express the similar ideas. Parallel structures allow the reader to flow smoothly from one idea sentence to another in the paragraph. For example, the example is usually the children spend the summer weekends playing ball in the park, swimming in the neighbor's pool, eating ice cream under the tree, or camping. So you see all these verbs: playing, swimming, eating, camping. So they run in parallel and facilitate the reading in terms of the comprehension, and the flow is very smooth. Now, these were some of the strategies, but now we will look at given new strategy, direct matching, and reinstating old information. The given new strategy, according to this, the process of understanding a sentence in discourse context consists of three sub-processes of stage. One is identifying the given and new information in the current sentence. The second is an antecedent in memory for the given information, that is the previous in the memory. And third is attaching the new information to this spot in the memory. The primary usefulness of this model has been examining the various possibilities that can occur during stage 2, which means finding an antecedent in the memory for the given, the previous pointer or previous reference for the given information. Sentences that mark information as given but have no obvious antecedent from previous sentences should pose lots of comprehension difficulties. Direct matching, if you look at these two sentences, we got some beer out of the trunk and the beer was warm. Now, in comprehending the target sentence, we first divide it into given and new information. The definite article, the, marks beer as given and was warm a new information. We then search our memory for a previous reference to beer and find it in the context sentence. Finally, we attach the information that the beer was warm to the previously stored information. So we look at these examples and we look with the help of the and then beer. We see that in order to have a direct matching, we will look at the previous reference and then analyze it, and we attach, finally at the final stage, we attach the information that the beer was warm to the previously stored information. So we searched for the previously stored information and then we attach it to it. Now, even though direct matches are the simplest case of sentence relation, they are not so simple that they can be reduced to merely searching for a specific word. So the processes cannot be considered as just searching for a specific word. Finding an antecedent for given information in the target sentence resembles searching for a concept more than searching for a word. So when you are searching for a word, it is not just searching a word to have a direct match. You even search the complete whole concept. Therefore, the process is not that easy. The third is the reinstating old information. Now, this refers to the fact that when sentence refers to something or someone already introduced but no longer in the foreground, the comprehender must reinstate the information that is to be matched with the target information. To conclude, the given new strategy specifies three-stage process of comprehending sentences in discourse: identifying the given and the new information in the current sentences, finding an antecedent for the given information, and attaching the new information to the memory location defined by antecedent.